Yakutsk Basin has one of the most well-known cities in the farm of Yakutsk. It has an average temperature of minus 8.8 degrees centigrade and is the coldest large city in the world. Yakutsk is also the largest city which is located in a permafrost region, in a permanently frozen region. Yakutsk, located on the Lena River, is also a major riverine port, and it is served by Yakutsk Airport as well as the smaller Magan Airport as well. The lifestyle in Yakutsk is really very tough. The pictures are reminiscent of and they are reflective of the type of conditions Yakutsk undergoes.
Questions. Consider the following statements regarding Yakutsk. 1. Is a major riverine port on the Lena River. 2. Temperatures sometimes drop to minus 62 degrees as well. 3. It located in continuous permafrost. 4. It is a major mining town for petroleum. The correct statements are A. Only 1, B. 2 and 3, C. 1, 2 and 4, D. Only 4. Write the correct answer in comment box. Click on the website link to know the correct answer.